Hi everybody, thank you for watching. Get ready with me today for this date night glam. I'm obsessed with how this look came out. Like, look. I tried a bunch of new products and I found some new favorites for sure. And I'm excited to sit down and just chat with you guys today. So if you want to see how I got this look right here, please keep watching. It's Monday and it's been a while since I've had like just time to play around with some new makeup. My beauty room is officially organized, which is nuts. I've been dying to try a bunch of these new products. I actually didn't think that I had the Easy Blur. I was actually gonna buy it, so I'm glad I didn't. So I will be filming in that room very, very soon. Let's get ready today. I may take myself out on a date. I haven't decided. I wanted to do like a get ready with me date night, but it's Monday and I may end up ordering him, but I may take myself out because why not? So I'm going in with this Power Grip Primer by e.l.f. It's like super, super sticky. I've been loving it lately. I love matte skin, as most of you guys probably know from following me. And I feel like this really helps keep it matte. Let's play with some makeup today. I just posted my vlog. It took forever, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. There was a few comments about like too much Lorenzo. When I'm editing it, like all these things that I end up keeping in with him in it, I forget about those videos and I always like look at my vlogs as like home videos that I can watch back on one day. So I will be more mindful of making it more appealing to people other than myself. So I'm sorry, I feel like I've been out of the game almost for a while and it's like, I need to get back into it, but we're back, baby. I took my nails off. I broke 2 of them last week and I just needed to give myself a break. So what do we think? It's so weird because I feel like my fingers look so short and stubby. My nails were so long. So you wanna let that sit for about 30 seconds so it can dry. And then I've been dying to try this Huda Easy Blur and I'm hoping this is my color. It looks close. Yeah, it actually looks pretty damn perfect. All right, it's a little light, but it's fine. This was the darkest one they sent me. I feel like it's so funny. Every time I get like foundation stuff from brands, they always send me the wrong shades, which, I mean, how are they supposed to guess? I lied, it actually looks like my perfect shade. It's a little light going on, but we will make it work. I've heard really good things about this foundation, and I feel like I haven't been able to like play around with makeup because the times that I'm actually doing my makeup as of late, it's like for an event or I'm going somewhere, and to risk trying a new foundation is like, you guys know, you can't do that. Coverage is like medium, I would say. Medium coverage, which is nice. So there's this place that I love to go for sushi and they don't deliver and it's like the best sushi ever. So I'm like, maybe after I film this date night look, take myself on a date. We'll see how my anxiety is doing. I don't really love leaving my house unless I have to. HD Makeup Forever Cream Contour. I've been loving this one. I just mixed this shade and this shade. So my most recent trip, I was in Nashville. We went with Grande Cosmetics and Nicole Guerrero also was invited. So that was a fun trip. Me and Renzi went down to Florida for Kai's birthday, and funny story. I get on the plane, we board. We call each other mom, so I'm gonna just call her mom because it feels weird calling her Nicole. I sent mom a picture of Renzi and said, see you soon. So she texted me back about like 10 minutes after I sent the photo and she's like, oh my God, mom, Kai and Jeremy woke up with the fever. I'm taking him to the doctor. I'll keep you posted. So at this point, the doors were already shut. So like, there was no way of getting off the plane because I was like, shit, like, what am I gonna do? So I bought Wi-Fi on the plane and I was like, okay, let me like try to figure out like a backup plan because if Kai and Jeremy are sick, I didn't wanna like go and bombard them. There's nothing worse than like having to host when, you know, people in the house are sick, and I didn't want us to get sick either. She texted me around like 10:30 saying that Kai came back positive for the flu. So I was like, oh, poor thing. So I was like considering doing Disneyland. Like I didn't know what the hell I was gonna do with Lorenzo, but I was like, all right, well, we're gonna make the best of it because we're already on the plane and there's no turning around now. Lorenzo falls asleep on me on the plane. It was so funny because he had his own little suitcase. I'll show you guys a quick video. He made so many friends in the airport. Everybody was stopping him because he was just the star of the show. What else is new, this kid? And he was doing great. He was fine. He fell asleep on me on the plane and he woke up as we were landing and he felt really warm, but Lorenzo always wakes up from a nap like sweating. It's just how babies are. I thought nothing of it, but he did seem a little bit cranky. Again, still didn't think anything of it. Nicole gets to the airport to pick us up. And now at this point, Renzo's like really hot. We went to Walgreens because she had to pick up a prescription for Kai. My mom was like, why don't you just grab a flu test just to see? And when we got to Nicole's house, did the flu test and it instantly came back positive for flu A. So both the boys tested positive for flu A on the same exact day for the first time of their lives, and they were on different sides of the country. Like, what are the chances of that? It was wild. You were like, okay, this is so freaking crazy. So we ended up staying there because they both were positive for flu A. So we figured, all right, in between like medicine kicking in and them feeling better, they could still play because they both have the freaking flu. All in all, it ended up working out. Me and Nicole dodged the flu. We were good. We somehow didn't get it while the boys and Jeremy were on the struggle bus. So it was definitely a rough few days. We got back Thursday and then me and Nicole left for Nashville the following Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday like night. So at that point his fever was gone. He was like all better, thank God, because then I would have had to cancel the trip. We both go to Nashville, had the time of our lives. I'm trying this for the first time. Luminous Silk Cheek Tint. Let's see. I always forget to do liquid blush because I'm always like either rushing or talking or doing something. I actually came across Nikki Tutorials Instagram today. I haven't seen her page in a while. And I was like scrolling, watching a bunch of her videos, and I actually saw her mention that this in a different shade was like one of her worst products of the year. So I almost like hesitated to try it because that girl knows her makeup. But I figured since it was staring at me and I haven't tried it yet, I want to give it my own little opinion. I did a review actually on this Ube birthday cake Huda. Apparently I was saying her name Huda and it's Huda. Huda Beauty Ube powder, and I am literally obsessed with it. I tried it for the first time for TikTok, a TikTok video that I was doing, and I've been using it ever since. So we're gonna go in with this purple, beautiful powder. You see Bobby? Hi, Bobby baby. So we go to Nashville, literally 48 hours in Nashville. I get home Thursday night. Friday I woke up like not feeling great, but figured it was just like that post-Nashville feeling, unescapable hangover of Nashville. But by Saturday morning I woke up and I felt like shit. So I went to the doctor and lo and behold, I tested positive for flu B. So somehow I escaped flu A, but flu B came and bit me in the ass. Your girl got sick. What do you, like, talk to me about bronzers, guys. Like, I feel like I've been using this MAC one forever, the Mineralize in dark, and it's just so freaking good because it's lightweight. Like, there's nothing that pisses me off more than when I go in with a bronzer and like it leaves like that mark, because that's really hard to blend out. I like it because it's like super lightweight. But comment below, let me know if you guys recommend any bronzers. I literally slept for like 48 hours and it wasn't terrible. I didn't have a fever, which was good. Where's my freaking eyebrow pencil? So it was pretty much like a 48-hour thing for me and I was feeling better. It wasn't terrible. You wanna get out, baby? I'm sorry. Here. Go ahead. Go ahead. What I love about this powder is how brightening it is. Like, do you see that? God, I love her powders. So I feel like everybody I know and their kids are sick. This has been a rough winter. My mom had flu and then got COVID and like it's just been insane. I'm ready for some warmth. I just scheduled my pool opening. Give me summertime. I found this little Smashbox palette. I don't know if it's new. For me, it's new. It's untouched. It has really pretty shades. Figured let's play with a new palette considering I feel like since I launched mine, it's like the only palette I honestly use, but we're gonna play it today. I really like this. Actually, let me go in first with this. I'm going with this peachy shade. Apply that. I'm going with a smaller blending brush in this shade. I forgot to spritz my face though. I'm gonna go in with my magic liner. Little Kiss Pompadour. I'm gonna cut them basically in half. Maybe I'll do a little shimmer. Oh, it's so much easier to do this without nails. My nails were so long. Oh yeah, that's so pretty. I'm gonna just go in with my palette. I'm gonna take this shade, highlight. See? And towards the end, I lift them up. Winter Kissed. Looks a little light, but let's see how it comes out. Yeah, it's pretty, but it's just not pink enough. It's tart pink also. Yeah, it's pretty. A little more pink. Blush on my nose, like obsessed. Yes, oh yeah, the eyes and the face are like matching. Woo. Guys, I have new lips coming so soon, and I have been using them like every day, so I gotta like try to go back to I'm gonna go in with Francesca. I'm not done with the eyes, but I just need a lip. Like, this is like everybody's favorite color. It looks good on every skin tone. Trust me, if you have not tried these yet, what are you waiting for? They're just incredible. Like a pencil lip liner is so much better than those gel liners because you could get them super, super sharp. So I had my photo shoot right before I dyed my hair back. This is my first video back with dark hair, by the way. I know it's like clip back, so you can't really see it, but I did my photo shoot for my new collection that was supposed to come for Valentine's Day, but it's running a little late. I'm gonna go in with my Grande Two-Wing Mascara. This one has my name on it. I met the CEO of Grande. Her name is Alicia. She is my spirit animal. The night that we met, I was like talking about how I was in Nashville also for my birthday. And she was like, oh, when's your birthday? I was like, October. And she goes, October what? And I go, 17th. And she goes, oh, I'm October 17th. And I was like, come on. So it was so funny because I swear to God, we are the exact same person. Nicole was peeing her pants. So that was really cool. I've never met anybody with my birthday before, and she's so freaking awesome. I literally had the best time ever. I mean, you guys know me. Nashville is like my home away from home, and really funny when we were there, and like the energy that I have in Nashville is like just unmatched. Nicole was like, I bet you there's like something on your birth chart where you could check and see like where the line of like where, I don't even know. It's like where you belong basically, and like on different parts of the world. And lo and behold, my line went like directly through Nashville, like a little bit off, so not exactly Nashville, but basically. And it's funny because that's what she has assumed. Because when I'm there, I just feel like myself. Like I just feel free, and oh, the energy is unmatched. I highly recommend Nashville for anyone who has not been. This mascara is like stupid good, by the way. I've been using it since I got back, and you guys know me and my telescopic, but this one, look at the wand. It's just phenomenal. I've been using their serum for a little over a year, and my natural lashes, which are like, you could see them over on this side, are unreal. I am so happy I found this product when I did. My eyelash lady that I used to get the extensions with was the one that had it at her place, and that's how I found it. I needed to give my eyelashes a break, and I haven't had the extensions on since. All right, we're gonna go back in with Smashbox. Smashbox. I haven't used anything Smashbox in a minute, I think. They were like the OG back in the day. I remember like when I would get things from Smashbox, they would be holy grail in my kit. One thing about me is I'm always gonna have a crazy under eye. I just love a thick, thick under eye. I'm so obsessed with how this look is coming out, by the way. The introvert in me is gonna wanna just stay in. But like also, I kinda wanna go out. Like, look at this makeup. Where are we going, girls? I'm gonna take a little bit of this deep purple for the outer part. I need to use Flower Beauty on my bottom lashes. I haven't tried the Grande on my bottom yet, but for whatever reason, a lot of mascaras, if I don't do this, I get like those black lines. And even if I do this with certain mascaras, the transfer is just terrible. And I love like bright under eyes. So I cannot have that happening. The Flower Warrior Mascara makes my lashes crazy long and it doesn't transfer. I'm gonna go in with Nicole lipstick. I'm gonna go back in with Francesca. What do you think? Should I do a gloss? I'm thinking a little bit of Brooke. I'm gonna leave it matte, do my hair really quick, and then I'm gonna decide on what I wanna do. So I've been loving this. Where did I put it? This L'Oreal setting spray. It's like a 36-hour setting spray. I love how my makeup looks. Like my skin looks probably the best it's looked in a minute. So, thank you. This is really a game changer. And I told you about this e.l.f. primer that I've been loving also. These are like my new combo for sure. Like my skin came out perfect. All right, let me go finish my hair and I'll be right back to show you guys the final look. Okay, so this is the final result. I think I'm gonna do a little gloss. I think that's what I'm missing. You guys want a hair tutorial? Stay tuned. I filmed it. Little Brooke gloss from the Beauty Bybel. You guys know I love a good body glow. I found the best combination in the entire world. I use the Nutra Ultra Sheer Sunscreen, which is gonna give you, I already used it because I was filming it on my phone, sorry. But it's gonna give you this beautiful like wet shine. But I found that after like a short period of time, it goes away. So I set it with a highlighter. This is my Angels from the Beauty Bybel, and it just gives it that like extra shine and glow. It's what I always use on my body. I feel like everyone's always asked and I never showed you guys yet, but this is a game changer. So this is the final result. My date night look. You know my ass is staying in. I'm gonna just order something because I'm tired and it's late, but at least I got some content, right? I gotta be honest. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.